lovelies! This is Leanne from Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all doing well. Today again I am working with Premium Eco Pour from Just For You Online UK. This is similar material to Jasmomite and the mixing ratio is exactly the same. 1 part to 2.5 parts. And for today's project I will be using these colors, and I am preparing everything that I need in advance and make sure I have everything 100%, because with this material you have limited time. It's about 10 to 25 minutes working time. So you need to know what you're doing and be super fast. So anyways, I didn't tell what I'm gonna be making. I am very excited about this project as it is a big one for me, and it is a set of triangle dishes, trays. So it is one big one and you can put 4 smaller inside, and it is a lovely set. As I knew for sure that it's going to be a big job for me, I decided to do it in 2 parts. So first I start with the big triangle, and then in the second go I do the smaller triangle dishes. So here I am measuring my materials, and basically the trick to know how much material you will need is you take your new empty mold and put on weights on 0. And then you put in the water and see how much it can take in grams. Then this amount of grams you divide by 2, and this is how much liquid is going to be. And then you multiply this liquid amount by 2.5, and this is how much grams you will need the powder. For example, your mold takes 100 grams of water. So you divide 100 by 2 is 50. So for this mold you will need 50 grams liquid compound, and then you do 50 times 2.5. And this is how much you will need a powder. Anyway, back to the video. So I divided my material in 3 cups. Then I add my pigments, and I'm counting my drops because for the second part I need exact the same, because I want to achieve the same or at least as close similar colors as I can get. So anyhow, here I am mixing my colors, and oops, a little pixie came. So I never done this technique before. I done similar using resin, and it's all new to me and super exciting for me. If you are enjoying this video so far, please click a like. And if you enjoy videos about resin, then please consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, so there are always new videos coming out. Thank you. And now I'm kind of layering my colors, and I'm going to pour. So fingers crossed, wish me good luck, And here we go. So far, everything looking great, and I'm happy how it's coming along. Once again, I top up my pot with my colors, and now ready to go for the second time. So this is the big triangle tray mold, and it took about 600 grams of material, I think, if I remember correct. And now, after pouring, it's important part to tap and try to eliminate all the bubbles that can be there, because this is the only way how to get them out. And now, about 40 minutes later, I'm ready to demold. It's super fast for me, and I still can't believe that it takes only that much time. I don't need to wait 24 hours. And I am being cautious with this one because I'm not sure how fragile it is. And yeah, just doing my best to unmold without damaging. And so far, what I'm seeing is I like a lot. Not too shabby for my first go at it. So what I have heard now, it needs to be left alone so that air goes around and it can cure properly. So I'm gonna take you a bit closer, and this is my big triangle tray. And here is the second mold that it is 4 smaller triangles. And once again, the same procedures. Weigh everything, mix everything, add color and pour. And of course, before start to do everything, make sure you have everything. Right, as you basically know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna put some music on and let you enjoy the process. And I'll come back to you in a bit. And again, about 40 minutes to 1 hour later, it's all dry and ready to demold, and I'm super curious how this gonna turn out. From my first observations about this mold is that it's a bit uncomfortable. It is uncomfortable after when you pour to shake it around and demold. So, my first triangle, and I am very impressed. I'm very happy. As there are no rules in this pattern or method, so everything comes out great and amazing. Again, I'm trying to be gentle as it's still quite fragile. Oh, this looks nice as well. The third one. And the last one. Not too bad. Very nice. So once again, I put them like that and let them to be for 24 hours. And now I gonna try for the first time on camera a little bit of sanding down, as these have a sharp edge. And I'm using dry and wet sandpaper grit of 150. And I find it really easy. It doesn't take much effort to get rid of them sharp edges and little imperfections. So that makes me happy, as I'm not really big fan of sanding. And after I sand everything, I sand as well the bottoms a bit. As I mentioned, just to get rid of them little bumps. And all it's ready. Doesn't take really that much time. And here are the finished results. I like this set a lot, and I think it's really useful, as well as you can stack them together. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!